Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Sleeping Beauty's peasant look. That's what they call it on Dress to Impress. So you don't need VIP for this unless you want to bring the basket of flowers, sorry, but it's not like necessary, so you don't really need VIP for this, and the items are super simple as you can see. Removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is almost everything. For the hair, I use this hair in this color, FFC264, in bangs only, adjustments Y.47. Then I use this hair in the same color, position Z at 0.54. Then I use this hair in toggle, in the front toggle in the same color, no flowers, position the Z at 0.58. Then I use this hair in just the same yellow color and no adjustments. Use the black headband. I just like the thicker one a little bit better. Color it black, position the Y at 0.46, rotate the X at 0.65, and the scale at 0.43. For the outfit, she's actually barefooted, so you don't need shoes. I'm just going to use the skirt. We're actually just going to use the full set from here. Color it this color 97755F. Then we're going to get this top, and then we're going to color it this color, and then black, and then white, and then just all black for the rest. And that is it for the non-VIP version. But if you want to use the flower basket, you can, but it is so totally optional anyways. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple to do. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.